Hi there, this is Allison and Gordon with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is Easter Sunday. It's March 31st of 2024, and we just wanted to take a minute to wish you all a very happy Easter Sunday. We are thrilled to be here with you, and we want you to know that Jesus Christ did indeed suffer for us in Gethsemane. He died on the cross for us, and he did indeed raise from the dead 3 days later. And with that, we have access to all of the power and the love and the strength that we need. And we just want to let you know that we love you all and are so very grateful that you are here with us all, and really look forward to hearing what you have to share with us this day in the comments. And we will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.